Justin mentioned something just recently, and I thought it was really cool, and I didn't even really think about it. So we have the Ring doorbell. You press the doorbell, and of course usually it makes a noise from the outside. We didn't want the people to think that we were consistently watching them or be weirded out by the fact that they know that it's electronic. I mean, I know most people have a Ring and know what a Ring is, but we do not monitor the cameras. We only use it for security purposes if we need to get back to it. But taking off that Ring function whenever you click the doorbell kind of makes them, I guess, feel a little bit less like you're watching them. So that's just a little tip that I thought would be useful.